Hello and welcome to the open box video for the Focus FS-H50 proxy recorder from VITEC. And let's open the box. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, first off we have USB dongle for hooking up to the internet. And we also have the actual FS-H50 unit, which has the composite in. Now it looks like it also comes with a rechargeable battery here, and we have an AC adapter which multiple ports depending on which country you're in, so you can pick that. So this is good in case you travel overseas or you need multiple power supplies. Now from the looks of it, the one thing that I do not see is a BNC adapter, which would go right here to allow you to plug directly on in with the composite cable. So let's go ahead, open it up here. Now this is where the battery goes. So let's go ahead and put a battery in. And it's got a slot right here for an SD card. So got my standard little mini SD card here, and we will go ahead and put that directly into the slot, and we're going to power up. Now the reason these proxy recorders are really important is if you're shooting in any high def format like let's say 50 megabits or 35 megabits, you'll notice that the file sizes can be extremely large, and it can take a considerable amount of time to copy them or to share them with other people. Now the advantage of the proxy recorders is that it'll create a very small proxy at the same time you're recording on your camera. And I have an optional bracket here that I purchased from B&H that I can screw right here into the back of the unit. And that way I can mount it directly on top of the camera, so this is attached. And it also has an external recording, so when you trigger the camera, it'll start recording on the camera and on this unit at the exact same time. Now, let's see, according to the signal I need to plug in, so let's just give it a feed directly from the camera here. And you can see here where it says format changed, it recognized the format immediately, and we have it in 2997 here. So let's just hit record and see what happens. And there it goes. It's already recording my first proxy, and according to the instructions, if you hit the OK button at any time, it'll record a snapshot, so you can have a still frame waiting for you at any time. So let's hit the record button again. You get the please wait. Now one of the advantages of this unit, of course, is going to be the Wi-Fi dongle. Now according to the instructions, it says that you need to power up the unit with the dongle plugged in first. So I'm going to shut down the unit, and then I'm going to put the dongle directly into the port here, and we'll re-power back up with the Wi-Fi dongle. Now what I can do is I can either use the browser on my computer, or I can use an iPad. We'll turn it on here. And what we'll need to do is we'll go into the settings section here. You go up to where Wi-Fi is located, and what you want to do is you want to look down here for any open devices. This section here has devices, and it finds the FS-H50 directly right there. You can go ahead and join in, and then you come back and we open up a Safari browser page. And all you have to do is then type in the address HTTP So it's going to be HTTP, and then we'll put in a colon / and then it's going to be 10.0.0.1, and we'll hit go, and that's going to take us directly to the login page for the FS-50. All you got to do is hit login. You do not need to put in a username or a password, and there we are. We have our browser. Now if we hit the live button, we should be able to see here on the screen exactly what we're actually videotaping right now. So we have a monitor screen right here. It gives us all the settings right here. And if you wanted to go in and take a look at your recorded contents, all of them on the card would show up here, and you would be able to download it directly to the device or your computer directly from this application. And if I need to change any of my configurations, right now I have it set for standard recording, but I have auto light for other features. My file format is set to MOV, and you can also set for your free run time code and also your pre-record if you need any pre-recording. And the system preferences are down here where I can set the date and time and other network settings. So the web browser is going to be a really nice way to monitor the content live and also download clips. And a nice little trick is if you are recording and you finish off the first clip, you can start recording a second clip and start downloading the first clip at the same time. So that's going to be the web browser there for the FS-H50. And the unit itself, actually, let's try to start recording directly off here. We hit the browser, we're going to hit record on the browser. And as you can see, the red record button is there, and we are also now recording right here on the unit. I haven't touched any buttons, and I'll do the same thing here. I'll go and I'll hit stop, and we look back over here and the recording has stopped. And if I come back over in here and I go into the recorded contents, the clip that I just recorded will be available, and then I can just take it and download it at any time. So that's going to be really convenient to use. The unit itself is pretty compact. It's got audio imports for left and right audio and also for the composite video. SFH50 is part of the family of VITEC proxy recorders. They also have an FS-H60 and an FS-H70. The biggest difference being the input. The FS-H50 has the composite, FS-H60 has an HDMI, and FS-H70 has the SDI. So this is the FS-H50. Hope you enjoyed this open box demonstration, and take a look out for some of my other videos of other VITEC products. Thank you very much.